Hi everyone, this is your host Farishte and now it's time for the top news of the day, exclusively on Bollywood Bullet. एक recent event पर a journalist tried to make Sushant Singh Rajput angry और इस बात पर सुशांत ने की उसकी बोलती बंद।
कुलभूषण जाधव जो कि पाकिस्तान की जेल में जिनको डेथ पेनल्टी सेंटेंस की गई है उसको लेकर सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट पर ढेर सारी बातें की जा रही हैं। आप लोग कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
I think you shouldn't have ducked that question on national interest because it was not a personal question. I heard you telling him that, let's not answer this. I think it's a question of national interest. Yes. And I think.
But I think somebody should not give his or her opinion if he or she is not very well informed about the topic, because it is a sensitive thing. So you need to be very. Ma'am, can you at least allow me some time to.
Let me finish what I want to say, then you have your say. I'm saying that question was of national interest. All you had to do as Indians was to condemn what Pakistan is doing or not condemn it if you
That's exactly what I'm saying.
But let me finish. But it was not a personal question that you should be ducking. So
ma'am, we got your question. All right, we got your question now. But to say yes, condemn, or no, condemn, you need to be responsible enough to know the facts related to it.
So you don't know about this hanging the
Maybe we haven't read enough to be able to give a proper answer.
Why is it so wrong? Should I ask you few questions? Would you answer all the questions? Should I ask you questions about national interest? Would you know all the answers?
First and foremost, I'm not a public figure.
So there is nowhere written that a public figure should know everything about.
I don't know why you're turning it into a personal banter between us.
But let's.
Yes. Any of you on stage could have said.
No, we
need to duck something of national interest.
Sanjay Dutt के खिलाफ warrant हुआ cancel. A warrant that had been issued against Sanju Baba for not attending court in a matter was cancelled by Andheri Court when he appeared before the local magistrate court today. It's time for some celebrations. आज हुआ trailer launch of debutant Dinesh Vijan's movie Rabta, starring a fresh जोड़ी Sushant Singh Rajput and Kriti Sanon, जो पहली बार देखे जाएंगे sharing screen space. Viral हो गई है picture of 9 top Bollywood directors under the same roof. This is surely a rare sight, but now we wonder, is there a mega project in making? Fans of Golmaal series, this news will surely make your day. Parineeti Chopra ने share किया news saying that Golmaal again अब release होगी this Diwali. Exciting, right? आलिया भट्ट, शिल्पा शेट्टी कुंद्रा, दिया मिर्जा और कई सारे जाने माने हस्तियां ने अटेंड किया आईफा वोटिंग वीकेंड डे 3. मीडिया इंटरैक्शन के दौरान दिया ने कहा that she was upset with media for leaking Ranbir Kapoor's look from Sanjay Dutt biopic.
Yeah, we've seen, Ranbir.
You should not have seen that. It was leaked by the media, and we were shooting that day, and I have to admit that it was upsetting because it was a look that we were saving to reveal much later. And while we are very enthused by the response from the public, which has been fantastic, we do wish that the media had respected the privacy of the film and not revealed those pictures. Bad people.
Raveena Tandon's comeback movie Matra ho gayi hai banned. According to sources, censor board members have refused to give a certificate to the rape and revenge thriller movie. क्या अब सेंसर बोर्ड सराउंड होगी एक नई कंट्रोवर्सी से? सोनू निगम के ट्वीट से हुई एक नई कंट्रोवर्सी क्रिएट. One of industry's most talented singer Sonu tweeted shocking and controversial statements about Muslims doing azan in the morning. Seems Sonu is always looking out for trouble. Well, that's all for today. Do give the video thumbs up, share and comment your views in the comment section below. And for more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Movie Talkies.